Hi guys, in this video I would like to share a journey of emptying a 40 feet high cube container, the whole process, how long it takes to empty it. So let's go see the container. So this is as soon as the container arrives, so fully to the door. Now this is after 1 hour. We have 3 hours to empty the container. This is the second hour. 2/3 of the container is empty. So if we take longer than 3 hours to empty the container, we get charged. So this is all the boxes, bottom pallet, each type separately, and they'll be sorted out later. I just need to show you the container. Look how big it is. It's huge. This is the high cube 40 container. Now we are in the third hour. So if we go 1 minute above the third hour, we get charged from 50 to 60 pound an hour. Basically any extra minute after 3 hours we get charged hourly 50 to 60. And so this is me. Hello. And that's it. We're done. This is the third hour and everything is out of the container, so the container can actually move and go before they start charging us extra. Always the same. It's always we finish nearly 3 hours. Will be sorted out, and everything will go into own basically storage. So this is 3 hours container done. When you start in Amazon FBA, you don't need your own storage. You can send it straight to Amazon warehouse and the Amazon will deal with it. Container's gone now. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye.